Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can invite and earn in Wise app. So make sure you follow my tip till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Wise app and already logged in. And now right after that, once you open it, you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Wise app on in the screen, where you can see the earn £50 option at the top right corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that option and now you'll be redirected to the another page where you can see it is written invite and get £50. And just down below it you can see your invitation link, and at the right side you can see copy option. So simply tap on that option and you will be able to copy your link, and you can share it in your WhatsApp, your Gmail or your SMS. And if you want to share it in another platform or social media, then simply tap on this share icon, and yeah, you will be able to share it from here successfully. And just down below it you can see there is written what your friends get and what you gonna get. So your friends gonna get a fee-free transfer up to £500 when they sign up with your link, and you're gonna get £50 when 3 friends send over £200 in one go. So yeah, and if you want to track your invites, then simply tap on the top right corner in track invites option, and you'll be able to track your invites from here successfully. So basically this is how you can invite and earn in Wise app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.